Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll walk you through installing Go on a fresh Ubuntu node, right? So let's get started. The first thing is to make sure that your local repo are updated, your package lists are updated, right? To do that, say sudo apt update, right? This will bring in all the repo lists and update them, right? It'll also tell you how many of the packages can be upgraded, right? But at this point we are not interested in upgrading the packages, but just to make sure that we have all the repos lists updated to install fresh packages, right? So once this is done, we can go ahead downloading the Go package from the GoLang website, right? To do that we'll need a small utility called as wget. So let's install that first. So apt install wget, right? So it's almost done. Yeah, it's done. So let's bring the Go package, right? To do that, just head over to the GoLang website download section, which is golang.org/dl. In this case, since we are on Linux AMD 64, I will copy the location for that particular package, right? So let's get that. It's going to take some time depending on what sort of network connection you have, but the package is not that huge, so it should get done pretty quickly. It's about 114 MB in size, right? Go 1.10 is the latest version of Go. There's generally a release every 6 months, and they've been pretty consistent with the releases, which is great for the Go community, right? So now that we have the package, let's untar that to user locale, right? -xzf, and this what is. So -c is basically tells you where to untar it. -xzf basically tells you this is a tar gzip package, so unzip and untar the package, right? So let's do that. It's going to take a couple of seconds. Yep, it's done, right? Now let's see if it's installed. Say Go version, command not found. So the reason is the Go is installed in user local Go bin, but it's not in the path, right? So if I say /user/local/go/bin/go, it works, right? So it's installed. We can see that it's in the path, right? So how do I put this particular path? How do I access this particular path or the files under this particular path, from everywhere? So for that, let's open our .profile. Go to the end. I'm using Vim. You can basically use any editor, right, whichever you're comfortable with. So let's do that. So say path, take the existing path and also append the new path to that, right? Save and close. Now we have made a change, so let's source this profile to this session again. Done. Now let's say Go version. Hooray, it's done. So we can access it from everywhere, right? So let's write a small Go program and make sure that everything is in place, right? So you can either do it here, or you can go to /temp, or you can create a Go home or Go path directory and do it there. So I'll just do it in temp because this is just a test program, right? So I will say test.go, open it. I'm in the insert mode in Vim. All you have to say is say package main, saying that this is the main package, and I need to import format so that I can print for testing, right? create a main function. If you're familiar with C or C++, this is Go is very easy to pick up, right? So I have a function main, and let me say format dot print ln. Print ln is basically adds a new line then. So say hello world, typical hello world program, close, and we are done. Don't worry about the formatting, right? So let's run hello world. The output is hello world. Alright, so you have Go installed, you have a sample test program coded and executed using Go run, all set for bigger things in Go. Right? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and also please come back for more videos on programming and tech. Thank you guys.